everyone. In this video, I will not share any lesson from English grammar. Rather, I will share 5 effective strategies which are very necessary to improve our spoken English. Okay? I think we all know English is an international language. It is a global language, right? So I think I don't have to say how much it is important in our life. Okay? So now I am going to share 5 effective strategies which exactly I followed in my life. But the condition is you all have to follow those strategies. If you follow proper way, definitely you all will be able to speak in English very fluently, very smartly and very confidently. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, without scare of making mistakes, speak to people. This is one of the greatest way to improve our spoken English. It exactly I followed in my life during the journey of learning English language. In fact, you cannot imagine how much I made mistakes when I first started to speak in English language. In every sentence, every word, every pronunciation, in everything, everywhere, in every aspect, I made huge of mistakes. But I never worried about it. In spite of making mistakes, I continued it. I continued speak to everyone. Continued I did it. Okay. So this exactly very effective way nowadays I am able to speak in English language fluently. But if you all time think about your mistakes during making conversation with people, then you will be completely disabled to improve your spoken English. Okay? One thing always keep in mind, if any person is really knows the value of learning, I am sure the person will never laugh at you. Okay? So just always keep in mind. So I always this logic keep in mind and I never worry about it. Okay, so this is one of the effective way you all must have to follow. Always remember, mistake is a part of our life. Okay, so if you do mistakes, you will learn. Okay, this is the way. Number 2 is reading book. You know, reading book is very important to enhance our spoken English. But the saddest thing is that most of the time I notice students are completely ignoring about reading book. Actually, they don't know how much it is important to improve our spoken English. Okay, because it has a great role to improve our spoken English. It has provided me a lot. I am saying completely from my personal experience. Since I started reading book every day by day, I started to improve of my fluency of English language. Why? Because when we read book, we can get chance to see a lot of new words which are very important when it is about to making conversation with people. Okay? So, if you still have no habit to read book, please read it. You have no idea how much it is effective to improve our fluency in English language. Okay? Number 3 is writing. Writing is also very important way to improve our fluency in English language. But here is also pathetic thing is students are ignoring writing because they think when it is about to improve our speaking, why writing is necessary. But I am saying writing has a great role to improve the efficiency of our fluency in English language. Why? Because the reason is when it is about to making conversation with people, we need a lot of words, right? And it is only improved by writing. Why? Let me give a short example. See, our teachers all time suggest us, whenever you read something, first study, then write. Why they say, why they suggest it? Just because of whenever we read something, there is a great chance we may forget in future. But when it is about to writing the lesson, in that cases there is a very mere chances, there is very rare chances we may forget. Okay, so it is very important. Writing has provided me a lot to improve efficiency of my spoken English. Okay, because it is really true, it is really, whenever I write something, after over the writing, I will never forget those words. And during making conversation, words are very important. You know, most of the time during making conversation, we stuck. Why? Just because of lack of vocabulary knowledge, nothing else. So if you really have a desire to speak English very smartly and very properly, you have to practice your writing. It is also helped for improve how to make sentence properly. Okay. So please practice writing. It is very important. Number 4, attend conference. I have no idea. You can see this strategy from anywhere or anything, but this is my personal experience. When it is about to improve our spoken English, attending conference is very necessary. Why? Because whenever we deliver speech in front of people, it is very helpful to improve our fluency. Okay, it is very important. It is exactly I follow in my life. Whenever I get chance to attend any seminar, any conference, I always request to the authority of the organization or request to the professor of university all time, so that I can get chance to deliver my speech, because in such a way I can improve my fluency. Okay, in fact, you cannot imagine, whenever I was I was the worst in English language. I had a huge of mistakes. In spite of that, I delivered my presentation because I didn't think about my mistakes. Okay, I had a strong persistence. I have to speak English language fluently. Okay, so my humble request, please attend seminar or conference and participate. Try to deliver your presentation. It is also helpful to boost up our personality, our confidence. Okay. Number 5, speak to everyone in English language. It is one of the most important way to improve our fluency. Okay, so whenever it is about to improve our fluency, it is very necessary to practice to people, right? And I'm saying about from my personal experience, I speak to everyone. When I started to learning English language, when it was about the time, the journey of my learning English language, I spoke to everyone, no matter where I was, in bus, in ground, everywhere, in institute, everywhere. Whenever I got chance, I spoke to people in English language without scare of making mistakes. Okay, because I knew it is only improved by practice. If I do not practice, there is no chance so that I can improve my fluency. Okay, and one thing, most of the time I notice many people say lack of environment is the reason we are not be able to speak English fluently. So if we have internet, it means we have environment. Yeah, I agree with this. If we have environment, definitely we can improve our English speaking. There is no confusion. I really agree with this. But is it possible to just watching video and we can improve our fluency? I'm really not agree with this, because when it is about to improve our fluency, we need someone to practice. Okay, it is not possible by watching. By watching video only we can improve our listening power. Okay, but when it is about to improve our fluency, we have to practice to people practically. Then it is possible. Okay, So those 5 strategies follow in your life. Number 1, without scare of making mistakes, speak to people. Number 2, read book daily. Number 3, practice writing daily. Number 4, attend conference and deliver your speech. And number 5, speak to everyone. Okay? So if you all follow those strategy as a proper way, then I can make assured definitely one day you all will be able to speak in English very fluently, very smartly, and very confidently. So I think you all have enjoyed the lesson today, and so thank you for your patience and thank you very much.